This is Curated Currency. This is a NASDAQ market observation. This is not a signal. Today we're looking at NASDAQ on a 5-minute time frame. And what stands out about this session is how the market transitioned through clear phases from accumulation into expansion into distribution and ultimately continuation to the downside. If you just take a quick look at the chart, it looks like the price went up and then it sold off. When you slow it down, you can see the structure behind it. You can see where the market was building, where it expanded, where it paused, and where it shifted direction. Let's start on the left side of the chart. Let's start on the left side of the chart from 1900 into 2300. The market begins in accumulation, forming that base. Price moves sideways with overlapping candles, which is showing balance and consolidation. This is where liquidity is being held and the market is coiling rather than trending. From 2300 until around 4:30 in the morning, price begins stepping higher with controlled momentum. Price begins to show higher highs and higher lows, signaling a transition from accumulation into expansion. Pullbacks are shallow and really absorb quickly, indicating quiet buyer control. From 4:35 until around 7:30, momentum increases and price pushes into highs. Now this phase reflects late stage expansion, where the market reaches into liquidity and begins showing signs of exhaustion. From 7:30 into 9:30, the market stalls at the highs with the wicks and choppy candles. This signals distribution, where positions are being offloaded. The first strong drop confirms that structural shift. From 9:30 into 11:30, strong momentum pushes price lower with large candles. Now this is what they call displacement, a transition from balance into directional control. The market is no longer negotiating, it has chosen direction. From 11:30 into 13:30, price pauses. The market moves sideways again with slight upward drift. This is that bearish consolidation, or what they call a bear flag. This is that behavior. And this behavior is not a reversal type of behavior, it's a continuation setup. From 13:30 into 1600, price continues lower with consistency. Lower highs persistent, each bounce to the upside it fails. Now this represents trend continuation and overall completion. The key insight for today is that the market moves in cycles: accumulation, expansion, distribution, and ultimately continuation. Recognizing these phases honestly allows you to understand the overall market behavior instead of reacting to every single candle. With that being said, all glory be to God. Ain't none that is possible without the man above. Same system, different day. This is Curated Currency.